She is so beautiful and sexy. She is swimming in the river. I'm working. I'm not watching TV. Maria is reading a newspaper. She isn't eating or she's not eating. The bus is coming. We're having dinner. You're not listening to me or you aren't listening. The children are doing their homework. Please be quiet. I'm working. Look, there's Sarah. She's wearing a brown coat. The weather is nice. It's not raining. Where are the children? They're playing in the park. We're having dinner now. Can I call you later? You can turn off the television. I'm not watching it. She's eating an apple. He is waiting for a bus. They are playing football. He is lying on the floor. They are having breakfast. She is sitting at the table. Please be quiet. I'm working. Where's John? He's in the kitchen. He is cooking. You are standing on my foot. Oh, I'm sorry. Look. Somebody is swimming in the river. We're here on holiday. We are staying at the Central Hotel. Where is Sue? She is having a shower. They are building a new hotel in the city center at the moment. I am going now. Goodbye. Jane isn't having dinner. She is watching TV now. She is sitting on the floor. She isn't reading a book. She isn't playing the piano. She isn't laughing. She isn't wearing a hat. She isn't drinking coffee. I am not washing my hair. It's snowing now.